In recent decades, sightings of unidentified flying objects have fascinated both the public and the scientific community. Various theories have been proposed to explain these phenomena, ranging from extraterrestrial visits to optical illusions. Among the most intriguing hypotheses is the idea that UFOs could be human aircraft from a distant future, sent back in time for anthropological study or to alter the timeline for some reason. This idea, while highly speculative, offers a fascinating scenario that deserves exploration, especially in light of Einstein's theories of relativity and quantum mechanics. To understand how time travel might be possible, we need to start with Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Published in the early 20th century, the theory of special relativity introduces the concept that time and space are intertwined in a single structure called spacetime. One of the most well-known aspects of this theory is that time slows down as one approaches the speed of light. This effect, known as time dilation, has been confirmed by numerous experiments. General relativity, which is the extension of Einstein's special theory, describes how gravity affects spacetime. A particularly interesting aspect of general relativity is that it predicts the existence of spacetime tunnels called wormholes. These are theoretical pathways through spacetime that could, in theory, allow travel from one point to another in the universe faster than the speed of light. Furthermore, if one end of a wormhole were anchored near a strong gravitational field, time would pass more slowly there compared to the other end, creating a potential bridge for time travel. Alongside the theory of relativity, quantum mechanics offers further insights into time travel. Quantum mechanics describes the behavior of particles on a microscopic scale and introduces the concept of superposition, where a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. Additionally, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle states that it is impossible to know both the position and velocity of a particle with infinite precision simultaneously. One of the strangest implications of quantum mechanics is the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, which Albert Einstein famously referred to as spooky action at a distance. According to this phenomenon, two particles can become correlated in such a way that the state of one immediately influences the state of the other, regardless of the distance separating them. Some theoretical physicists have hypothesized that these quantum effects could be harnessed to create mechanisms for communication or even time travel, and we cannot rule out that other technologically advanced civilizations might have achieved this scientific milestone. However, time travel raises numerous paradoxes, such as the famous grandfather paradox, where a time traveler could prevent their own existence by interfering with the past. Quantum mechanics, with its multiverse and parallel worlds, suggests that every action in the past could create an alternate timeline, thereby resolving some of the paradoxes associated with time travel. If we accept the theoretical possibility of time travel, the idea that UFOs are human aircraft from the future becomes an intriguing speculation. This hypothesis has also been supported by the famous director Steven Spielberg in a recent interview on The Late Show with host Stephen Colbert. Spielberg suggested that UFOs could be piloted by humans from a very distant future capable of traveling back in the timeline. But for what purpose? One of the most plausible motivations could be anthropological study. Future anthropologists might be interested in directly observing crucial historical events, social and cultural behaviors, or even slightly influencing the past to ensure a certain course of events. The idea of observing without interfering could explain why many UFO sightings appear to be purely observational, without direct interactions with the surrounding environment. There are numerous testimonies of sightings that could support this theory. For example, some sightings report objects that seem to defy the known laws of physics, moving at incredible speeds or changing direction instantaneously. These behaviors could be consistent with advanced technology from the future, capable of manipulating spacetime. Additionally, there are accounts of close encounters where witnesses describe humanoid entities, often very similar to humans but with slightly different physical characteristics. These details could suggest an evolution of humans in the future, with physical adaptations due to environmental or technological changes. The idea that UFOs could be aircraft from the future also raises profound philosophical and ethical questions. If future humans were able to travel back in time, what responsibility might they have in not interfering with the natural course of events? Could they adhere to strict non-interference regulations to ensure that their observations remain purely passive? Moreover, the knowledge that the future could already be written or influenced by time travelers might alter our perception of free will and destiny. Living in a universe where the future is malleable but monitored by some could radically change our understanding of history and human existence. As of now, for all its fascination, time travel remains beyond our technological capabilities and a field of theoretical study, with many uncertainties. But we can imagine a future where integrating Einstein's theories of relativity and the principles of quantum mechanics allows someone to overcome all our technological obstacles and realize what has always been humanity's greatest dream: time travel. We cannot exclude that the UFOs we observe in the skies might be the direct manifestation of this incredible achievement. Thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support us.